In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to report side hustle income on TurboTax. If you earned money from freelance work, gig apps, consulting, selling services, or any other side hustle, TurboTax makes it fairly straightforward to enter that income in the right section. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go so you can start reporting it properly. To begin, log into TurboTax and make sure you're on your returns main dashboard. Once you're there, move your cursor to the income section in the top navigation area. Hovering over income will open the related menu options, and this is where you'll find the section you need for earnings that came from work outside of a traditional due-to job. Take a second to let the menu fully appear before clicking, especially if you're using a trackpad or a smaller screen. From that menu, click Self-Employment Income. This is the area designed for side hustle earnings, independent contractor income, and other money you made while working for yourself. Even if the work was part-time or only brought in a small amount, this is still typically the correct place to start. Selecting this option tells TurboTax that you need to enter income connected to self-employed work, and it will guide you through the appropriate tax questions from there. After that, TurboTax may ask you a confirmation question to make sure you want to enter self-employment or side hustle income. When you see that prompt, click Yes. This confirms that you did receive this type of income and want to continue through the self-employment income workflow. That's the basic path to get into the correct section. Hover over income, choose self-employment income, and then click Yes to continue. Once you're inside, TurboTax will usually walk you through the rest of the process step by step, including entering the details of the work and any income forms you may have received. As a helpful tip, before you start entering anything, it's a good idea to gather your income records so the process goes more smoothly. That can include payment summaries, tax forms, or your own tracking records. Having everything ready ahead of time can help reduce mistakes and make the interview process faster. And that's it for getting started with reporting side hustle income on TurboTax. Follow these steps carefully, move through each screen at your own pace, and you'll be in the right place to continue entering your self-employment earnings.